Did you ever stop to wonder if reality is, we know it is nothing more than an elaborate simulation? It may sound like a far-fetched idea, but many brilliant minds have put forth the simulation hypothesis. This theory suggests that our entire existence is nothing more than a computer-generated simulation, similar to the movie The Matrix. Today, we will delve deep into this concept and analyze the evidence and perspectives surrounding it. At its core, the simulation hypothesis suggests that a highly advanced civilization has created a computer simulation so detailed and intricate that its inhabitants, us, believe it to be real. This simulation could be running on technology far beyond our comprehension, creating a reality indistinguishable from the one we experience every day. There are several arguments supporting this theory. One is the rapid advancements in technology that we have witnessed over the past decades. If our civilization continues to progress technologically, there may come a point when we are capable of creating simulations of such complexity. Another argument involves the observation of the universe. Scientists have discovered what appears to be inherent limitations in the fabric of our reality, such as the Planck length and the speed of light. These fundamental constants suggest that we may be living in a computer program with specific rules and limitations, similar to a video game. Furthermore, proponents of the simulation hypothesis argue that the existence of glitches or anomalies in our reality could be evidence of a simulation. These anomalies, such as unexplainable phenomena or supernatural occurrences, may be the result of flaws or programming errors in the simulation. However, there are also counter-arguments to this theory. Skeptics point out that even with advancements in technology, creating a simulation as complex as our reality would require a level of computational power and resources that may be unattainable. Additionally, they argue that if we were, in fact, living in a simulation, we would expect to see more inconsistencies or glitches in our reality. While the simulation hypothesis may seem like a mind-bending concept, the truth is that we may never know for certain if our reality is a simulation or not. It is a philosophical question that challenges our understanding of existence and the nature of our reality. In conclusion, whether our reality is a simulation or not, contemplating the simulation hypothesis opens doors to fascinating philosophical discussions. It challenges us to question our perception of reality, the limits of human knowledge, and the nature of existence itself. So next time you ponder the world around you, consider the possibility that we might just be living in a simulation. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.